Hello, hi, heartily welcome to you all on behalf of ABM Company. ABM means always be motivator. We have seen the comment for the previous videos. There are a lot of thoughts rising in your mind about this company. In this video, we are going to give a clear-cut view of ABM Company so that all your doubts will get clarified. As we all know, there are a lot of problems in India which are passively related with unemployment. Some of the major problems are corruption, illiteracy, education system, basic sanitation, healthcare system, poverty, pollution, women's safety, lack of proper infrastructure, agriculture distress. Everyone should have to think about these major problems. A lot of other problems are also there, but these are playing a vital role among them in the growth of India. Mostly, these problems are occurring due to tremendous rise in unemployment. Friends, this is fact if you believe or not. All these problems are not directly impacted by unemployment, but one of the cause for all the above problems is unemployment. In this video, we will explain the main motto and purpose of this company. Then all your doubts, whatever rise so far, will get clarified. This video is solely dedicated to clear all your doubts and to provide you a clear vision about this company. This company will be going to launch with all your support in 4th April 2025. If this company is successful in one area, then it will be going to launch in all other districts of our state in all fields. The important resource for launching a company are mainly two resources. One is investment and one is manpower. You don't need to worry about investment because it is our work. Manpower is a key role to run a company successfully. For starting the company, we need more number of skilled people. There is no constraint on locality of the person. We are inviting from all over the country. This company won't be confined to a particular state. So, we need more than 50,000 members from each state. There is no eligibility criteria for joining into this company. Person who having any degree can join with us. Graduation is not mandatory if you are a skilled hard worker. We only focus on the knowledge of the person rather than graduation. There will be a separate WhatsApp group for group of each district people. Please send a message to below number which is in description box for being a part of this group. There are separate groups for girls and boys, then no one will have any privacy issues. In present society, majority of people are not working in their desired fields. Everyone wants to work in their desired field, but they can't because a lot of reasons are there. One of the major reason is it may be their family pressure, and other one they can't find the desired field company near to their hometown. Some more other reasons are also there, but here there is no such type of problems if you are joined in this company. We launched this company in each and every district. I hope you all got a clear view about this company. Friends, if you want join with us, follow in Facebook and Instagram. Thank you one and all. Don't forget, please like, share and do subscribe this channel. Stay home and stay safe.